Hey, I'm Isaac. I play guitar different. I play guitar with my autistic sharpness and love to reach maximum results in my projects, whether it's collaborating with my friends, composing my own music and playing it live, or covering a very intricate guitar solo. I can help you to look at the guitar differently using philosophy, using critical thinking about the modern education industry, looking towards how we can develop our musical best selves together. So on Saturday the 30th of April 2022 I will be hosting a guitar workshop on Crowdcast, starting at 2:30 in the afternoon UK time and finishing at 4:30. If you play guitar, come along, bring your electric or your acoustic. It will be an honour to have you there, since this will be my first time leading a group. In my 10 years of teaching the guitar one-to-one, I've learned some really important things about people's obstacles and difficulties in relating to the instrument. I'd like to share those with you, including some of the best mental habits that I've developed to support my technical development and performances. I'm going to be leading you through some pretty cool guitar etudes as well, relating to one of my favourite pieces known as Hangar 18 by Megadeth. They're going to get you engaging with that particular song despite what your current perceived level is. So click the link below. Download the free etude, it will help you prepare for the class, and I'll see you there.